Man cries out as he returns home after 23 years of sending money from abroad for his family to secure properties for him, only for them to label him mad. The man was seen lamenting his ordeal in a video that has gone viral on social media. In the viral video, the man claimed that he had worked as a show promoter in South Africa, working with big-time artists like Davido and others. During his time abroad, he had been sending money back home to his family so that they could help him secure properties. He revealed that when he returned, his family had labeled him mad and had taken him to a local traditional herbalist where he was held. The incident is reported to have happened in Ibadan.
I based in South Africa with Cape Town. My name is Bayo Salami. That's my real name. My company is Kuvuki Empire. I'm one of the top models, top promoter in South Africa. So I've done many wonderful shows from Davido to Whiskey to Bakidawi to M-Man.
Can you page in Instagram?
Kuvuki Empire.
Spell it.
KUVUKIEMPIRE.
Channel website.
KuvukiEmpire.com, but it's under management now. But you can find me on Instagram, Snapchat, and YouTube. Play my YouTube for them. My family, I just arrived to Nigeria, and based on the family issues, I'm asking for my properties and everything. They deny that they say other development. I don't complain. I told them, okay, no problem. Let me go back to where I came from. And they told me that they have to go to somewhere, which one Alpha will pray for me, because when I get there, I can have a blessing from God. I said, it's all right, my family, who I am to judge, who I am to tell my family. They do all this because of my own achievement and my own progress. When I arrived there, one Alpha just told me that I should come inside the room. Meanwhile, I'm thinking that maybe she wanted to pray for me. So suddenly, he just pushed me inside one room. Now, I saw some people there that are there for like 6 months, 1 year. And their living condition is very terrible. Okay. I was like, what am I doing here? So, throughout the day...
So when did you get here to the first place?
I'm going to go to 17 days now. 17 days? Yeah.
We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. You can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section below. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.